So I finally got the headphones. Says it's noise cancelling. Honestly, the reason why I got this, I can barely hear myself, so I'm gonna take it off. Oh my god, my earring is coming off. So finally got the headphones. I love these so much. The reason why I got it was because of this headphones, the JBL, because it broke when I mistakenly like bent it. And this thing, like, it's because of the circle, the way it's like structured. That's why I was like, because every single time when I wear it, it's so circle and it presses on my ears. Like I want it to, like, cover my ears so it doesn't hurt as much. But wearing this one, honestly, look at that. The makeup is already on there. I didn't want makeup to be on it already. I'm gonna have to clean it off. But yeah, my makeup is already on there. But anyways, I wanted it to be a bit big, and I've been seeing this on people's car and everywhere. So I was like, okay, we're gonna get this one instead. Started to get the Sony WH-CH720N headphones. So there they are. And honestly, I would say I love them, but I wanted them to be like, when I increase the sound, I didn't want people to hear me playing the music. You get what I'm like, you get what I mean? But when I increase the sound, you can still hear the music. Like when you increase like to the loudest, you can literally hear the sound coming from the headphones. I'm like, do I really want that happening? Not really, no. But it is what it is. So yeah, I mean the noise canceling works, but I can't really tell if it's noise cancelled or if it's not noise cancelled. Like, how is noise canceling supposed to work? Like, you hear nothing or what's going on? So I can't really tell the difference as much. I'm not really sure how this wants me to feel about it, but it's really nice. I really like it. I love it. And I saw the pink, blue, and the other colors. Then I was like, what color do I want to get? I really want to get white because, but then I was like, I already have like white already from the JBL. I'm gonna try to fix this so I can still use it because it's still usable. So I am going to be using these ones for the upcoming school year, and these ones I would say are so much better in their own way. But yeah, I just love the white. It matches my aesthetic. Let's just say. Like, I wanted to decorate it as well because I saw a whole bunch of decorations on Pinterest, and I also wanted to like decorate mine as well. And I got a few stickers to call from Shein to decorate this. So yeah, we're gonna actually try decorating the headphones and then probably clean the makeup off my headphones as well because that's not what I wanted it to, give at all. So now I have mini haul as well because this came in the as water bottle, new water bottle came in this mail as my headphones, which I just finished decorating. I am in love with these headphones. I just did like a simple sticker as for now. I'll probably change it in the future when it gets, not so good. But yeah, I just wanted it to be like a big sticker and very simple. So that's exactly what I did for a mini haul, which is a water bottle that I actually got. I wasn't sure what type of water bottle. Actually, I was sure because I wanted like a stainless water bottle so I could keep hot or cold water inside and make it easier for me to like for it to stay for a very long time. I'm not really sure if this has a brand or whatever it is, but it's this water bottle. So it's this water bottle. I am in love with the color. I think I did an unboxing before, but whatever. I'm doing it again. I am in love with the packaging and the color. Honestly, as you can tell, I love white. Anything white, cream, or black. So yeah, exactly. They're literally the same color. So I wasn't sure if I want to actually decorate this, but I don't want to decorate it because then it's gonna get wet and then yeah. But I want to put like a little bit of holder, like a little bit of accessories on this side, so just to make it a little bit cuter. Let's see if I can actually find one accessories for this one. Yeah, it's actually so pretty. Honestly, I am in love with the color. And of course, the thing that are making noise is a straw. And they also gave cleaner. Like, this is the first time I'm actually seeing this, because most people don't, like, they don't give this cleaning thing to clean the straw. Like, you see how much less of a work that is? Awesome. That's why I'm in love with this water bottle. And inside is so deep as well. And it looks so cool. I love it. Honestly, I was gonna use this one before, but then it broke, it fell and then it broke. This is from Thailand. So it fell and broke and I had to tape it. But then it's still leaking water, so I'm actually not gonna use it as much anymore as I would love to, because I really love this pink water bottle. It's so big and it holds like water. It holds for like this entire day. So it's gonna be sad to let it go. Yeah, I actually love this one. Pretty much everything. So I will be seeing you in my next video. Make sure you like, subscribe if you like this video, and if you want to comment, I guess. I just want to do a unboxing of headphones and water bottle, which I did. So honestly, this is like, it's worth the money, kind of. Yeah. So this side is done. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.